I think sometimes it's really easy for us to just kind of like walk blindly and not know
Correct.
what's happening. So pull your credit report. So if there's anything that you do today, pull your credit report. Even if you pulled it last month, pull it today. Just see what's going on and make sure, just like you said, Gabriella, make sure everything looks correct.
Correct.
And that's everything from your name, that's everything from the number of accounts that you have. So that's the first place that I would start. The second place that I would go into is if you fall in that second category, if maybe you had a situation and life happened and you're in a place where you need to rebuild credit, um, I wouldn't think about the number. Okay, let's focus on what you have control over, and I would take your credit report, and sometimes it's like 8 to 15 pages. It can be very long. So what I would do is I just grab a simple piece of paper and I would just list out your debts. Just list them out. How many credit cards do you have? What's the balance on the credit card? Just list them out. Do you have collection account? What's the balance? List it out. And just put it on one page. And what you're doing is you're training your brain to actually understand what's going on.